Morning students, and now started with an online classes. Now today topic is factors and multiple, and our class is 5th standard. Now discussing about a new introduction topic is factors and multiples. Now already previous classes in factors and multiples you can read in 4th class too. Factors means what and multiples means what. What means you can see in blackboard. Factors means what. Now today topic is factors and multiples. Now see in blackboard. Multiple and this type of word and where to came. Multiple and this type of word is a multiplication to came. Now you can do it guys and multiple. Now you can see in the blackboard multiplication to come. Now multiple means you can do tables. Multiple means what are tables like structure, and 2 table, 3 table, 4 table, 6 table, total 22, 2 to up to how much tables to present in multiples, like you can write any number. For example 2 first 5 multiples can write means 2 table 5 much you can write is that's much only write means one example I got. 2 is the not 2 is listen properly, find the first 5 multiple of 6. Now this is one of the easy topic. I also said in multiplication, this multiplication to came from in word. You find the first 5 multiple of 6. You can write 6 table, but 6 times must not write, and that's why because here 5 only came means this answer 6 1 ja 6, 1 multiple over 6 2 ja 12, 6 3 ja 18, 6 4 ja 24, 6 5 ja 30, and this much only complete. Why? Because this 5 multiples, this is 6 is common multiple, and then that's why this is 5 much only give you, that's much only you can write it. Why? Because here first find first means this is one, first 5 multiples you can write means that's why, and this is end of the part in 6 multiple, and this is only topic in multiple. This type of multiples this like only you can write. Multiple means multiplication, understand? Now another type of question I'm giving. You can write multiples right here, but middle multiples you can also write now. Middle means what you can see guys. Listen, how many multiple of 6 are between 24 and 60. Properly you can guys, you can any this type of word problem, and means this type of word multiple present, you properly you can read first. How many means how many multiple means what, into multiplication of 6 table 2 are between 24 and 60. This 24 and 60, this both are middle one. Between means what, mid one 6 table to how many multiples present. You can write in 6 1 the 6 not right, 6 table to 24 starting from multiple is 24 only, means 6 table to how much you into done in 24 came, you can check. 6 1s are not over, 6 2s are not over, 6 3s are not over, 6 4s are 24. One of the multiple. Next, and this is starting from, ending from what? 60. Means that's why only this mid part of the multiples you can write. 6 5s are 6 6s are 36. 6 7s are 42. 6 8s are what? 6 8s are 48. 6 9s are 54. 6 10s are okay. And this multiples what? 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. This is starting and this is ending. Total how many multiples are in both two numbers made between? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 multiples present in a 6 table to 24 to 60 much between 5 multiples present. And this type of question also present, different type of, easily multiple. Okay, multiple means also into, you must and should what you can, this is solving the question, but you can every day 2 to 20 tables every day must and keep it in your mind. Why? Because, and this type of questions present means you directly you don't do it in multiples. What? Because, and directly you can value put it, but you cannot read means you can directly not having. Why? Because you can do it in multiplication do, then after you can keep it, this time is lost. And that's why 2 to 20 table every day morning you can write in one notes. Okay, understand? And that's why listen guys, and today too every 5th standard students and 7th standard students, now every day 2 to 20 tables you can every day must and should send for the pick in group. Every day 2 to 20 tables every day. Okay, must and should, this picture only first you can send from in pick. Okay, every day morning 7 o'clock every day morning. Understand? 2 to 20 tables every day morning, send the pick in 2 to 20 table in this group. Okay, understand? Every day morning 7 o'clock to you can pick the group. Okay, understand? 2 to 20 tables. Tables is must and should. And now multiples over. Now another different type of topic present. This is factors. This is only main important topic. This is also an interesting topic. Why? Because this is factors, this is multiple. Multiple means into, factors means divide. Opposite only. But factors, some cases present, you can must and should, this case you can keep it in your brain. Now first case. First case is any number, this factor itself. Okay, any number you can write, but itself one of the factor. Understand? Keep it in your brain, this word. Any number you can write, but factor is itself. Itself means me, means for example 2 factor can write, means 2 also one of the factor, means 2 table to 2 present or not. That's why 2 is itself. Itself means what? That's factor means this number, that factor only having. Okay, now this is of the first case. And second case, any number factor is 1. Any number you can write. Factor must and should 1 only. What having you can say. This is example. For example, 2 factor you can write. Listen, 2 ones are 2. Means this is one of the factor. And another one, itself one of the factor. Any number you can write. 3. One of the one factor. Itself one of the factor. Directly, listen guys, one of the small trick. For example, don't know factors, but in small, big, large number and 32 one of the factor you can do it. Means itself one of the factor, 32 one of the factor. You can do it in 2 also you can write, means mark you can got it. Why? Because 2 factors it means half mark you can got it, and that's why you brainly keep it. And factors don't know, you can leave it in this question, means not. Why? Because this is simply trick. Itself one of the factor and one also one of the factor, and these 2 cases is main important of the factors. Okay, you can keep it in brain, understand? Itself one of the factor and one is one of the factor. Listen guys, prime factor. Prime factors means what you can say. Already discussing about types of numbers in previous classes, in previous class videos, you can see. Now prime factors means what? You can see it in one prime number, take it. 2 is one of the prime number. Prime number means what? Prime number means any number you can write, but this number is 1 and this factors is 1 and itself is called prime number. 1 and itself. Okay, understand? Prime number means what? 1 and itself is factors is called prime factor. 1 and itself and more than another one not. 1 and itself is called prime factor. You can see in blackboard in 2 factors is 1 and 2. Why? Because 2 1 table to present and 2 table to only present and 3 table to not present in 2. Okay, that's why only this is one of the prime factor. You can write one small trick what, and 1 to 100 in question. 1 to 100, how many prime factors present? Okay, do it this one. Okay, and this is over means you can send 1 to 100 how many prime factor easily. This is you can write in small one and means 1 to 100 letter, 1 to 100 numbers, right? Then after easily you can do it to one table, one not having in prime number. Why? Because this is one table, one only present, but itself having not. And 2 to start with prime number. 2 is 1 and this is do it you only. And prime number means what? One simple thing, 1 and itself present any factor is called prime factor. Now factors means only divide. Divide means what? Tables. Tables means once you can see 6. The 6 factors you can do it means already one trick also said. What? One of the one itself of the, okay, itself is last you can write 6. 6 is how many tables to present? 2 table to present, you can do it 2 table right, and 2 over. Next 3 table to present, okay, you can do it. 4 to present, not, you can write 4, 5, 6 to present. Means 6 means what? Itself. And that's over. And 6 factors how much? 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 factors. 6, 4, tables to dividing, having 4 tables means 6, 4 tables to present. Okay, 1 table to present, 2 table, 3 table, 6 table. And that's why means both one case is over. You don't know means factors, one and itself you can write means half mark you got it. Means this 2 table to not present means don't know means you can leave it, but 2 means you can write it. Means you can not leave it these factors easily this topic. Next 32, 1 and 2 to having or not you can check it. Check means what? Already divisibility rules I can say in previous classes. 2 to divisible means what? You can do it. 2 to means 1's place to 0, another 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. This topic and this is numbers are which place? 1's place to present means 2 to having. Now you can see it in 1's place to 2 present. That's why you directly do it in 2 table to having. Next 3 table to. 3 table to having not you can say. Already divisibility rules also said. What divisibility rules in 3 to? 3 to means any number you can do it means sum of the all numbers. Means 32 present. You can do it in sum. 3 plus 2 how much? 6 having. Means 6 3 to present or not? Means this is also 3 to having. And next 4. 4 to present means that's why 1's place and 10's place. These two numbers also 4 table to present or not you can say it. 32. 4 8s are how much? 4 8s are 32 means this is also 4 to having. And next 5. 5 means what? 0 to and 1's place to 0 present or not 5 present. You can see it. Here present 0 and 5 don't know means and means you can not present means you can not having in 5 table 2. Next 6 table 2 you can do it. 6 means what? 2 table and 3 table. Having means 6 table to having means this 2 also having means the 6 you can directly you can write it. Okay, 7 table to. 7 table to you can do it. 7 table to 32 present. 7 table to not present means not write. And 8 table. 8 table to present means what you can do it. 8 means 4 table how like having you can see it. And that's opposite. 4 table to having means 8 table to having. Understand? Means this is 8 table to having. Next 9. 9 also 3 to like having means the sum of the numbers means 3 plus 2 means how much? 6 means 9 table to having 6 not having, and that's why you not leave and not write in this 9 table. Why? Because 6 9 table to 10 means what? Bond 1's place and 10's place 0's present means not having means 11 12 table to present not, and next 13 14 16 too much you can go means how much? 16. Okay, next 32 only. That's why total how many factors have we? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Total 8 factors in 32. Now guys 32 and these factors you can do it means before you can divisibility rules once again you can see 2 to 10 divisibility rules I can say na. Once this video to click done, then after you can properly see, then after easily having you can do it. Okay, not you can small means small children's like having in 32 2 to table 2 having means you can do it in time. Well, time having so much time will not waste. Why? Because this is 2 table means 2 1 this like having means so much time having, and that's why you can divisibility rules you can neatly properly you can do it means properly once again you can practice doing divisibility rules, then after you can do it in factors. Multiples easily you can multiples means means tables having means multiples over, but factors means you can do it in divisibility rules can follow, then after easily you can do it in this process. Okay, you can dislike in factors. And now this topic is this much over. Now some questions I am sent for PDF file, you can do it and then after you send the picture. And now this topic is over. Next tomorrow then another topic to discussing about and you and me. Okay, goodbye, stay home, must and should.